Hi there, and welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. My name's Nancy Myrland with Myrland Marketing and Social Media. I was just listening to a webinar hosted by Hootsuite. I wasn't able to listen to very much of it, maybe 5 or 10 minutes, because I was in the middle of something else. And so I decided when I was taking the dogs out, I'm just going to let it play. And so I had it in my pocket listening to it. And I was reminded of something that I also want to remind you about. And that is that so many people will tell you that you have to lead a discussion, that if there's breaking news, or something that is critical to people, then you have to be the one to break it. And that who remembers who the second person to do something was, or who remembers the other people that took part in discussions. And I don't think I believe in that perspective. As the first person, or as the person, the Hootsuite person said, you don't always have to lead a discussion, especially right now. We don't all know what is always appropriate during this time when we are coming out of a pandemic, but maybe sliding into a different variant of it. It's an odd time. People are happy, but they're cautious. People are sad, and they're cautious, and they're happy, all maybe in one day's time. So you don't always have to lead a discussion, but you can take part in it. So just because you haven't come out first, I mean, think about, is it really realistic to expect that on every issue that has to do with your practice area, you are going to be the first? It's not realistic to think that. And sometimes there's too much process to go through to even make that happen in a firm. So if you come out with meaningful, valuable commentary or a perspective that is still valuable and it's caring and it's wise, then I say go for it. And just make sure that you're prompt with it and make sure you're thoughtful with it. And then here's the important part. Make sure you market it. Let people know you have created that and that you have taken part in that discussion, because who's to say that the lawyer or the firm who took the lead in announcing that or breaking that, who's to say that they are marketing it as robustly as they could? And you come along and you are taking part in the discussion and you're letting people know that you've taken part in it. Otherwise, why are you sharing your content? Why are you sharing your thoughts on a particular matter if you're then just sitting back hoping, knock on wood, cross your fingers that people are going to discover it? So get out there and go ahead, enter the discussion if you have something valuable to say. Don't worry if you weren't the first, and don't forget to market your marketing. All right. This is Nancy Myrland. Thank you so much for being here for episode number 2 of Legal Marketing Moments. If you want to get a hold of me, you can find me at myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND marketing.com. All right, take care. See you next time.